Hi, welcome to NCRT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 8 Ashoka, the Emperor who gave up war. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section A Very Big Kingdom Equal to an Empire, Part 2. This comprises 9 questions. Question 1. Ashoka's empire included various cities such as dash. The options are Pataliputra, Taxila, Ujjain, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, Ashoka's empire included various cities such as Pataliputra, Taxila, and Ujjain. Question 2. Taxila was a gateway to dash. The options are Northwest India, Central Asia, A and B, China. Your time to choose. And the answer is A and B. So, Taxila was a gateway to Northwest India and Central Asia. Question 3. Dash was a gateway to Northwest India and Central Asia. The options are Pataliputra, Sarnath, Taxila, Ujjain. Your time to choose. And the answer is Taxila. So, Taxila was a gateway to Northwest India and Central Asia. Question 4. Dash lay on the route from North to South India. The options are Pataliputra, Ujjain, Taxila, Brahmagiri. Your time to choose. And the answer is Ujjain. So, Ujjain lay on the route from North to South India. Question 5. Dash probably lived in the cities of Ashoka's empire. The options are merchants, merchants and officials, merchants, officials and craftspersons, merchants, officials, craftspersons and rajas. Your time to choose. And the answer is merchants, officials and craftspersons. So, merchants, officials and craftspersons probably lived in the cities of Ashoka's empire. Next question 6. In other areas, there were villages of dash. The options are farmers, herders, A and B, laborers. Your time to choose. And the answer is A and B. So, in other areas, there were villages of farmers and herders. Question 7. In central India, there were forests where people dash. The options are gathered forest produce, traveled to coastal areas for fishing, hunted animals for food, A and C. Your time to choose. And the answer is A and C. So, in central India, there were forests where people gathered forest produce and hunted animals for food. Question 8. People in different parts of the empire spoke dash. The options are different languages, similar languages, the same language, Sanskrit and Prakrit. Your time to choose. And the answer is different languages. So, people in different parts of the empire spoke different languages. Question 9, last question. People of the empire dash probably. The options are ate different kinds of food, spoke Prakrit, wore different kinds of clothes, A and C. Your time to choose. And the answer is A and C. So, people of the empire ate different kinds of foods and wore different kinds of clothes, probably. Okay, so in this video, we learnt every point in the section A Very Big Kingdom equal to an empire, part 2. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section Dynasty. I'll see you there.